We're at Quail Springs Mall in Oklahoma City. You guys getting off? Okay. We're gonna take this thing for a ride. Let's go to food court. I think it's just burned out. Here we go.
We were here so many times. We haven't been here before.
Have a nice day. Let's go to 2. Oh, going up? What floor?
Where we at?
We're at L2. Okay. Copy that.
Let me get up.
Everybody? No, we have room. We have room.
We know everybody.
As long as I get to see the window. I'm videotaping for a YouTube channel if you don't mind. Here we go. Sorry.
Pretty sensitive, isn't it?
Don't worry, you're not on camera, guys. I'm just videotaping a YouTube video. Here we go.
Are we supposed to be quiet for the filming?
No, you're good. You're good. You're good.
Well, that's L1.
He'll edit later.
Oh, no, actually, you can go on this one, too.
Yeah. You're good. Have a nice day.
You too.
Need some help?
Thank you, sir.
Some Montgomery Cone.
You're locking it in.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Sorry about that. Look at the view. What floor are you guys on?
Are you,
I'm going down the ground floor.
me too. Yeah. Are you sure? It would take a while.
No, we have room as long as you don't mind being in the background noise of a YouTube video. You won't be on camera, you'll just, your voices will be heard and that's it, but I'll try to crop those out. Is that everybody?
Yes.
All aboard!
Is this going to the bottom? Yeah. Okay.
Well, I'm gonna get off at 1.
Food court is FC.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's not the one I want to. I want this one. Okay.
Oh. I don't think it's.
Yeah, there it goes. Okay. Yeah, I got confused.
I think this is me too.
Alright guys, we'll see you later. Thomas Timberwolf, peace, I'm out.